Hey guys, Utsav here. Welcome to the new video where we will learn how to interact with augmented objects on phone screen using Vuforia and Unity. So let's get started. Here I have done all the initial settings. I have my AR camera and image target. The AR camera has the license and all the configurations are done. To see how to do all of the setup, click on the I button above or go through the first video in the playlist. Now create an image target and then add a 3D object cube in it. It will act as a button. Just rescale it and make 6 of them. Now you can make more or less, but for this tutorial I'll be making 6 buttons and later rename it sequentially. Then go to the image target and click on add components and add audio source and then make a script. We will call it sound script and then open it in Visual Studio. Add audio clip and the box bracket, so it will make an array of audio clips and name it notes. Then add audio source. Assign a new string as button. Here all the buttons will be called. In void start you will initialize the audio source, so whenever your app starts it will initialize the audio source. If a touch is registered, then this will execute.
Yes.
We will use Raycast. So if we tap on our screen, then a ray will be generated which will check the position of the touch. If the position of the touch was at the position of the augmented object, then the further code will be executed. Here it will check that the position of the touch was at which position. So we will use switch case here. When we touch the button named Note 1, then the audio which is at the beginning of the array will be played. So just copy and paste this case for all the buttons and then at the end just add a default case. I wrote percentage instead of end, so just change that. Once you are done till here, then save the code and go to Unity and tap on image target. Drag the image target in the source. This is for the audio source. Then in notes, assign the size as 6 cause we have 6 buttons. You will get the array of 6 elements. Now import the audio files you want to play. In this case I have downloaded guitar notes and the link of this file will be provided in the description below. All you need to do is just drag and drop each audio file in elements list and you are done. Now if you save and press play button, you can see the buttons, but when you tap on them, nothing seems to happen. Don't worry, as we have used Raycast, it works only on mobile phones, not on a PC or laptop, so just build the app and start playing. So this is it for this video. If you have any doubts or want me to cover anything else, please feel free to comment it down, and if you have learned anything from this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Yes.